YouTube is a fantastic platform, especially if you actually focus, create content, and get access to the YouTube Partner Program to start earning AdSense revenue for creating your videos. Here inside of my YouTube studio, I want to go to my analytics real quick. And inside my analytics, I want to show you that I've generated 1 million views here on my YouTube channel. And you can see that I've made over $25,000, and it is fantastic. There is no argument here, but there are ups and there are downs to earning money strictly from the AdSense revenue that you generate here on your channel. First and foremost, you have to get to the point where you have met all the requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program to earn this AdSense revenue. Then you have to keep making the content, and you have to make sure that you stay at those levels throughout the time that you're in the YouTube Partner Program. So again, 1 million views, over $25,000. It's fantastic. But what if you actually had a strategy, a profitable online business roadmap with a proven strategy to generate traffic, to let people know about an offer as an affiliate marketer, and then put people on an email list? Of course, you've already picked your topic and you're creating YouTube videos, and you may or may not be earning AdSense already. And of course, I've generated 1 million views here on YouTube with this channel alone. And yes, getting paid to generate consistent content like you see here in my proven top strategy and my 9-step roadmap, understanding the tools, the technology, and the time to generate the traffic required to build a profitable online business is the first step. And if you're already creating YouTube videos and you've already done that, what you need to do is revisit tools, tech, and time and understand the tools and the technology that you need for the next layers of your profitable online business. And that starts with, for example, building a super simple lead magnet, which is actually just a web page that lets people know that you have an offer for them, and you can add them to your email list, and then you can automate all this. And then eventually what you can do is you can profit and scale your business, profit from AdSense revenue, and profit from letting people know that you have an offer that will help them solve their problem or just give them something they're looking for. It doesn't technically have to be a problem, but that's what I wanted to share with you in this video and show you that, yes, I believe in YouTube AdSense revenue and the fact that it is a brilliant thing to be able to earn money. And you saw 1 million views, over $25,000. Actually, that's only been over the last 5 years for me as well. So that's about $5,000 a year to do YouTube. But if you switch your focus from just thinking about those 1 million views and getting AdSense revenue, if you were to switch the focus to build out or to get a set of tools and understand the technology behind those tools, and then spend the time to build out the rest of your profitable online business using YouTube as your traffic source, then in my opinion, you have the perfect formula to utilize YouTube, which I think is great, and to get paid to build a traffic source for a profitable online business is actually fantastic. But I wanted to share this with you so you know also that there are tools that you need to build out the rest of your profitable online business. There's a link in the description. I call it my crash course for System.io. It is that set of tools that you need. Check it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.